Samsung appears to be working on a more budget-friendly foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and recent leaks give us a better picture of what to expect. One of the key details is that it might be powered by the Exynos 2400 processor. This suggests that Samsung is looking for ways to lower costs while still delivering solid performance, making foldable devices more accessible to a larger audience. It seems that Samsung is developing two versions of its clamshell-style foldable, the premium Galaxy Z Flip 7 and a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. While the main model will offer top-tier specs, the Fan Edition is expected to provide a similar experience at a reduced price. Fan Edition devices often come with slight compromises in hardware to keep costs down, and from what's been revealed so far, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE could share many features with the existing Galaxy Z Flip 5 with only a few changes. A report from Galaxy Club indicates that the international version of the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, listed under the model number SMF761B, is set to feature the Exynos 2400 chip, the same one found in the Galaxy S24 FE. The Exynos 2400E is a modified version of the standard Exynos 2400, but with a lower clock speed for its prime core. This means performance could be slightly reduced compared to the regular version, but it should still be capable of handling daily tasks smoothly. However, this only applies to the global model, as Samsung often varies its chipsets depending on the region. The US models, labeled SMF761U and SMF761U1, might instead be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. In terms of cameras, leaks suggest that Samsung won't be making major upgrades for the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE. It is expected to feature the same camera setup as the Galaxy Z Flip 5, which includes a 12-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the back, along with a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. While these specifications aren't groundbreaking, they should still deliver good quality photos and videos. The main question many people have is how much this new foldable phone will cost. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is currently available for around €899, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to be in the same range. Since the Fan Edition will likely have slightly lower-end hardware, its price could be closer to €799. If this turns out to be accurate, it would make the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE one of the most affordable foldable phones available. Samsung seems to be targeting people who want a foldable phone but don't want to spend as much on a flagship model. Samsung has been working hard to make foldable devices more mainstream, but one of the biggest hurdles has been their price. If the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE is priced right, it could make foldable technology more appealing to a wider audience. While some compromises will be necessary to keep costs down, it will likely retain the core features that make the Flip series so popular. Another factor to consider is how Samsung will position this device among its other models. With the standard Galaxy Z Flip 7 as the flagship and the Galaxy Z Flip 6 still available in some regions, Samsung needs to be strategic with the Fan Edition's pricing. If the price is too close to the flagship model, people might choose to pay a little extra for the more premium version. But if the difference is significant, the Fan Edition could become an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers who want to experience foldable technology without breaking the bank. As of now, Samsung hasn't officially announced the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, but the leaks suggest that an affordable clamshell foldable is on the way. If you're someone who's been considering a foldable phone but didn't want to pay the high price, this could be worth keeping an eye on. More details should be available soon, so stay tuned for updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news. See you in the next one.